Hello, it's a beautiful day here in Tipagara, Serekunda, and it's already around 4 p.m. and most of the people are closing from work right now. So I think that's why everywhere is busy. People are just closing from work, from also school. So that is exactly why you have this kind of a crazy traffic. I just passed around Bakota and it's around 4. So school children are also closed from school. And I guess we have to walk to Serekunda from Tipagaras right now. It's a very hectic traffic from where I'm from on Bakota end. So we are right now at the bridge between Tipagaras and Serekunda, going towards Serekunda. It's a very short distance. That's why most of these people are going to Serekunda. But all of them choose to walk because it's a very short distance. So standing here and waiting for a vehicle, a taxi to take you to Serekunda, which is not far, just around that end here. It's just useless, you know. After you're going to stand there for like 10-15 minutes before you have a car that could take you to Serekunda. That's why most of us choose to walk. All of these people walking, all get to Serekunda end. And by this time around 4, most of the taxis avoid this road because of the traffic. Here is not that congested, this area. But if you go towards Serekunda end, it will be very, very difficult. Walking very fast because I have somewhere to be around 4 and I'm already late. Sorry. Cameras. Most people don't like it, so that's a new now cash power vendor. Cash power for Nawek here. Newly constructed. There was a building there, so they just demolished the other one and building another one, a new one. That's what they are doing all these days, demolishing the old buildings and building new ones. Even the one at Serekunda has also been demolished, building another one. So they just look for a shop around and rent it to sell cash power. So to make it easy, they just look for an areas store and rent it for cash power, high speed in trucks. A place like this, not easy, man. Too much hot cars, I don't know. Most of them collect waste from the Serekunda market end, from the vendors, and take it to the back or the dumping site. Not very far from each other. The video is very shaky. Sorry, because I'm in a haze and I'm walking very, very fast. Yeah. have to walk on the main road because all the footpaths cars are parked. You see, all these cars are parked at the footpath, so I have no other option but to sometimes jump on the road of the cars. That's what we do always. So we branch here towards Serekunda, Divakunda end. Time is exactly 4 minutes to 4. Very close to 4. The traffic is very serious around after 4. That's what when many people close from work. It's 4 p.m. So we all head to the same direction from Serekunda or Westfield, anything, all going towards Tabakoro end. That road in 30 minutes time would be very crazy, you know. Yeah, there's a little bit ease because we are heading to a market, like a diversion. Very risky what the car is doing right now. I just arrived at Serekunda right now, so we're going to go around Westfield end. Not your fault, not my fault, no footpath. Obviously you have to walk on your way. Sorry. So a small road, so we all have to use the same road. Walking towards the Serekunda Mosque right now. That's the Divakunda Mosque. Serekunda Mosque is the one in the market. And this one is the brother. That's good. So we have to stand in the middle of the road to collect pick out. So it's not a big deal, it's not a problem because there is no police around, so we have to just do what they feel like doing. That is the Divakunda cemetery here. I think it's the main cemetery for Serekunda, I don't know. That's what they wrote there, Divakunda. And that is the mosque for Divakunda too. Oh. Almost trapped. Road is like a diversion from the main road, because right now the main road is also very congested, so most of these drivers choose to use the back road, the back way, diverting the main road to get to their destinations because of serious traffic at the main road. We are just few seconds away from the Banyan garage, where you can easily take a car from to Banjo in Serekunda here. I think it's the only garage you can have a people to Banjo. It is just around that end there. We are very close to that place. So very soon I'll also end this video. Crazy. So almost hit me. So if you are new to this channel and you are not subscribed, I urge you to subscribe and hit on the bell notification. That's the garage here. And I will see you in the future videos. A new store's been built here too. So this garage, you can take a car from Serekunda here to BS or Estate. That's my destination, BS or Estate. So I'll stop the video here. Thank you for watching this video. As I said before, if you have to ask for the vehicle going to BS right now. There is that one, the one people are heading to. So thank you for watching.